In this video, we're going to talk about top 5 most popular side hustle ideas. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Despite a slight improvement in the job market in the second half of 2020, the situation in 2021 remains uncertain. While some economic sectors have shown signs of improvement, others have remained stagnant, and some have seen an increase in layoffs. If you work in one of the occupations that has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic, or even if you don't, starting a side hustle could be the best long-term strategy for dealing with uncertainty. A side hustle can provide extra cash flow for those who have seen their income drop, as well as serve as a valuable backup plan if your job is in jeopardy. Let's take a look at the top 5 side hustles for the year 2021. Number 1, tutoring, a real niche with pandemic school shutdowns. Since the outbreak of the pandemic, education has been an influx. School-age children went to school from home, online, or a combination of the two. Depending on the level of COVID activity in the local school district, they frequently alternate between the two. Teachers and parents will be put under more pressure as a result of the arrangement. Teachers may be unable to provide as much one-on-one assistance to students, and parents may attempt to fill the void with subject matter they are unfamiliar with. Tutors will flourish in this environment if you excel in a particular subject area, such as writing, math, or science. You could be a valuable resource for a student who's struggling to keep up with a changing school environment. Number 2, manage Facebook ads for small businesses. Facebook has evolved into the social media platform where the entire world congregates. Globally, there are over 3 billion active users, a statistic that businesses are well aware of. Any medium that attracts a large number of people is an obvious advertising target. The value of Facebook advertising is well understood by large corporations. However, there are hundreds of thousands of small businesses that could benefit from Facebook ads, but are either unaware of them or don't know how to use them. If you're a regular Facebook user, you already have an advantage. You're familiar with the site and are aware of its existence. I'm not just promoting an unfamiliar concept when it comes to Facebook ads. To sell different products, I used Facebook ads, and I know people who make a lot of money doing this as a side hustle. In my YouTube video on Facebook ads, we'll go over this in greater detail. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube that can help you learn the ins and outs of Facebook advertising. However, you can begin by looking at the Facebook page for businesses. You can begin marketing your Facebook ad service to small businesses once you're comfortable with the procedure. These may include local businesses, but you can also reach out to them via the internet. Any small business with a Facebook page, of course, will be a natural fit for your services. They may not know how to promote and advertise the page directly to Facebook users, despite the fact that it is up and running. Number 3, become an online freelancer or writer. Have you gone through all the information available on the internet? Every single word was written by someone. The World Wide Web is populated by a large target number of people who contribute content. They're also paying a hefty sum for the privilege. While some of the larger websites hire full-time writers, the majority of web content is created by freelancers who work for a variety of clients. You don't need a journalism degree or any other prior writing experience to apply for this position, though both can help. However, if you have above average writing skills and one or more areas of expertise, you might be able to write website content in that niche. Number 4, become a freelancer in the career of your choice. I've only touched on freelance online writing, but the strategy can be applied to almost any job. Consider your abilities. They could be what you do for a living or as hobbies. In general, you can make money freelancing with any skill you possess that you're better at the majority of the people. That's a common misunderstanding about freelancing. You have to be an expert. Nothing could be further from the truth than it is already. All you need is experience and a willingness to put your skills to use. Of course, you can always improve your abilities as time goes on. You must consider any service you want to provide as a freelance business and apply yourself as if you were applying for a job. Find a freelance niche for yourself. Make a list of all your abilities. Consider those you use in your primary job, as well as those you use in spare time. Computer skills, marketing, web development, budgeting, meal prep, and personal fitness are all examples of this. You can even learn new skills that are related to your interests. Consider how you can use whatever skills you decide to pursue as a freelancer to assist potential clients. Begin marketing your services with a well-thought-out strategy. It only takes one client, followed by a second and a third for referrals to keep money coming in. Number 5, create an online course. Because of the internet, the world is awash in information. People, on the other hand, require instruction. They might want to learn a specific job skill, better money management, healthier eating, personal fitness, setting up a computer, or performing basic car maintenance. Online courses are increasingly filling in the gaps in the market. People don't have time to attend college and learn everything they need to know about life because of their hectic schedules. That's why many people are willing to pay for an online course that allows them to learn at their own pace from the comfort of their own homes. Consider any topic where you have superior knowledge or skills as you would with freelancing. To assist you in creating the course, use programs like Kajabi and Teachable. You can use social media to advertise your program, but you should also learn about affiliate marketing. This is where you use content-related websites to promote your program, rather than paying advertising fees. Pay a percentage of the price paid for each course downloaded and the website or blog. With affiliate marketing for online courses, you can earn thousands of dollars per month. And once the affiliate program is up and running on multiple websites, this will be possible without much effort on your part. What do you think about our list? Which of the above do you want to have as your part-time job or side hustle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications before you go. Thanks for watching.